All of you, good morning. My name is Isha. I am studying class 10. Now I am very happy to speak about our school in this great occasion. Our school is the most happiest place because we get a lot of knowledge in the school. We have best teachers in the school. Our teachers used high technology to teach us. Apart from this, Apart from this, we have good physical facilities, classroom, toilets, sports materials are well and good. I want to say my heartfelt thanks to SST Trust. They provided drinking water and toilet facility. It is a great service. Our headmistress takes care especially discipline and regular attendance. Our teachers celebrate every important event in the school, such as Independence Day, Republic Day, Children's Day, etc. Our teachers celebrate Language Day, Science Day, Maths Day, Constitutional Day, birthdays of national leaders, and annual day successfully. All teachers take special classes to improve our studies in our school. Children are trained in sports, dance, elocutions, dramas, and other cultural activities. Art exhibition is another special attraction in our school. We have English club to improve our English skills. Finally, our school is the happiest place, a knowledge hub, and the place of all-round development. Thank you for giving this opportunity.